This video is going to show you how to set up the reCAPTCHA system on your WordPress website using Contact Form 7. This is a natively supported integration through Contact Form 7, and it stops robots and bots, spam bots, sending spammy submissions to your contact forms. So this is how we do it. As you can see, I've just gone through Contact Form 7 integrations and into ReCAPTCHA. Now, ReCAPTCHA is a Google system, which is awesome because it's free. And this is kind of how it looks once it's been set up. It starts to show you how many requests it might have blocked. So what we're going to do is I've already got some sites in here, and on the top right hand corner I'm going to click Add. I'm going to put in the just a label. I'm going to use the domain name because it's just probably the easiest way of identifying all the sites that you have. I'm going to put in that it's reCAPTCHA. I'm then going to paste in the domain name. Note that I'm not including the www or the HTTPS or anything like that. Click Accept, and then I'm just going to click Submit. Now that's going to give me a secret key, site key, there it is, and a secret key, which I'm just going to copy and paste here and click on Save Changes. Of course, after this video, I'm going to invalidate those and use new ones. And I'll click on Visit Site. Now, what you'll see is that in the bottom of your site, you'll now get a reCAPTCHA whizzo bang thing here. At this point in time, there's no way of removing those, but what it does mean that when any form is submitted, this reCAPTCHA system will actually have a look at that submission and block it if it's spammy.